severe thunderstorm warning for northern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia.
So here's they're updating our alarm system, which is pretty cool because the control pad on the other one had a rotary dial. So yeah, so he asked him, what's
At 12:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm near Fish Creek or near Cedartown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicle.
anyway? They called.
Locations in Texas include Cartersville, Cedar, slight chance of thunderstorms in the Aragon, Brad, Fish Creek, Burnt Hickory Ridge, Red Top Mountain State Park, Antioch, Van Wert, George Washington Carver State Park, Sunny, Crossroads, and Stylesboro. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Georgia. For your protection, move. Doing damage. Hail or wait until the call the National Weather Service toll free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. National Weather Service.